At this stage, if we come to the time now, after all this mess of the Yuti and the Agadi and all these things that are happening, do you think at this stage there's any sympathy towards Uddhav Thackeray electorally? Do you think he'll benefit from a sympathy?
Well, I don't think about the sympathy part. Maybe, electorally, the people may give him some, because the Shiv Sena as a force has definitely one side is the Bal Thackeray legacy, the other side is the Shiv Sainik. The Shiv Sainik is the force, and largely the Shiv Sainiks have moved towards Eknath Shinde. So that will define only when the results come out. How the tables, which side the Shiv Sainiks have actually been able to swing the votes. But I personally don't feel that sympathies work, especially when we are not as hardworking as they're required to be.
Is your faction, why are you fighting so few seats? And is it sitting well to work with the Sainiks? Your natural DNA is not to work with the Sainiks. So, and the Sainiks also just wonder that इनके साथ कैसे काम करें. We have all along fought with Sharad Pawar ji and the NCP.
देखिए, कहीं ना कहीं at some stage कोई तो फैसले करने पड़ते हैं और नए रास्ते भी बनाने पड़ते हैं और नए दोस्त भी बनाने पड़ते हैं. पॉलिटिक्स में ये सबके लिए लागू होता है. हमारे पवार साहब भी वैसे ही करके इतने साल पॉलिटिक्स किए हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि ये stuck on to one formula.
No, that we just saw in the list.
That's why I said. तो उन्होंने भी नेविगेशन तो किया ना. तो नेविगेशन में सब रास्ते पॉलिटिक्स में, बट आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग ऑफ some unethical navigation, but you have to find a middle way to work with each other. My point here is that you are talking of seats. Out of 48 seats, 24 seats are sitting MPs of the BJP.
BJP, huh.
14 MPs came with Mr.
Shinde.
And they had originally 18 because of the old Shiv Sena. Now, if 24 and 14, 38 MPs out of 48 are already given away to somebody, balance 10, there were 2-3 seats which we don't want to contest because we've never historically gone. Now, out of the balance 6-7 seats, we have got 6 seats. Out of the 6, we have given 1 to an ally of ours, Madhav Jankar. And we have now been requested to give up the Satara seat in lieu of a Rajya Sabha seat which the BJP is giving us. So it's not that we're going to lose an MP, but that Satara seat, they wanted to give it to Udayan Raje Bhosle, who's of course the descendant of Shivaji Maharaj, and of course revered in that context. And we were asking Udayan Raje that you come and contest on the NCP ticket because you have been an MP whenever you have been in Lok Sabha has been on an NCP ticket. But anyway, that's now history, that's already been decided. But we are getting a Rajya Sabha in lieu of that. So we are not losing a seat, but we would have been a better force. But at the end of the day, in politics, you have to give and take. Otherwise, you can't be sitting on your high horse and then saying that we have to make alliances work. Some give and take. Our point was we had a limitation because the sitting seats were already taken away, and which we have been told very well that all this will be taken care of during the assembly elections.
Click here to watch the full episode.